outstanding performance. So our next program, dance, Gandha Kannalagi. I would like to welcome the LKG boys on stage.
Right push. The left.
Gandha Kannalagi, look vittu kick ethu muttu pallalagu, sodi seravadi.
Gandha Kannalaga, takkanada tatti tukkum muttu pallalaga, muttu unnatada.
Unna patta manna pakon sangathoda leader na, unna patta pinne adha resign pannena.
Kadalenum Twitter illa allama kathirunde, unna follow pannadala trending anena.
Single ipo sixer anene.
Gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummuru 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 gummara.
Gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummara 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 gummara. Gandha Kannalagi, look vittu kick ethu muttu pallalagu, sodi seravadi.
Gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummuru tappara gummuru 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 gummara.
Gummara tappara gummara tappara gummara tappara gummara tappara gummara 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 gummara. Gummara tappara gummara tappara gummara tappara gummara tappara. ஏண்டி Gandha Kannalagi.
சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை, சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை, முத்து முத்து ஆசை, முடிந்து வைத்த ஆசை, வெண்ணிலவு தொட்டு முத்தமிட ஆசை, என்னை இந்த பூமி சுற்றி வர ஆசை. சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை, சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை, முத்து முத்து ஆசை, முடிந்து வைத்த ஆசை, வெண்ணிலவு தொட்டு முத்தமிட ஆசை, என்னை இந்த பூமி சுற்றி வர ஆசை. சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை, சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை. மேகங்களை எல்லாம் தொட்டுவிட ஆசை, சோகங்களை எல்லாம் விட்டுவிட ஆசை, கார்குழலில் உலகை கட்டிவிட ஆசை, சின்ன சின்ன சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை முத்து முத்து ஆசை முடிந்து வைத்த ஆசை.
மரியாதைக்குரிய பொன்னியம்மாள் சரவணமுத்து அவர்கள் தங்களுடைய கரங்களால் மாணவர்களுக்கு பரிசுகளை வழங்கி கௌரவிப்பார்.
The winners from LKG students, Dashwan, clap for hands. Tamizai, Agniswaran, Sarveshwaran, Nishan, Agilavan, Sarveshwaran, Nishan, Haipa, Bhuvaneswaran, Adish, Vijay, Vishwa, Abhishan, Durgesh, Gobinath, Mitran, Kavin Raja, Harshika, Agil, Ridya, Advika Anand, Danishka, Vivekan, Selva Priya, Aditya, Gangesh, Safwan, Mugilesh, Ba, J. Mahimitran, Kanika, S. Mahimitran, M. Sahana, Nimalan, Kaushika, Sakti Balan, Ananya, A. Dansika, Mohit, Siddharthai, Agilesh, Adish, Mayavarasan, San Stephen, Sairam, Agilesh, Paunisha, Sadhana, Suban, Adisha, Pranit, Adisha, C. Sahana, Pranit, Pragati, JST, Pavinita, Hasani, Rishita, Tagabiya, ஆதிரா, ஜெயஸ்ரீ, மீன்கா, தன்யராகவி, சுபச்சரன், கார்மகிலன், பகலவன், தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.
ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் பாட்டு பாடவா. இன்று ஒரு கலாச்சாரம் பெற்றோரிடையே பரவி வருகிறது. தங்களுடைய மழலை செல்வங்களின் உளறல் மொழிகளையும் குறும்பன் குறும்பிகளின் செய்யும் சுட்டித்தனங்களையும் தங்களுடைய செல்போனில் படம் பிடித்து அதனை வாட்ஸ்அப் ஸ்டேட்டஸில் வைத்தும் தங்களுடைய உறவினர்களோடு மகிழ்வோடு பகிர்ந்தும் அந்த பதிவை பத்திரப்படுத்துகிறார்கள். பாடினாலே பதிவு செய்யும் நாம் பாட்டு பாடி, பார்த்து பேசி, பாடம் சொல்லி மகிழ்ச்சியில் பறந்து சென்றால் நாம் பரவசமடைய மாட்டோமா? இதோ பாட்டு பாடியும் ஆடியும் நம்மை பரவசப்படுத்த வருகிறார்கள் மாணவர்கள்.
பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா, பால் நிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா, நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா. பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா, பால் நிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா, நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா. பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா, பால் நிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா, நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா. பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா.
வந்தா நின்னா பார்த்தா repeat. அவ பார்க்கும்போது எல்லாம் உள்ள ஆப்பிட்டு. கத்திஜா வந்தா நின்னா பார்த்தா repeat. அவ பார்க்கும்போது எல்லாம் உள்ள ஆப்பிட்டு. எந்த எதிர்பார்ப்பும் இல்ல, வெறும் attraction. கிட்ட போய் போய் பேச ஒரு temptation. அவ பாய் ஃப்ரெண்டும் இருக்க ஒரு complication. அத மீறி அவ பார்த்தா ஒரு satisfaction. அந்த situation வேணும் solution. அவ clubக்குள்ள வந்தா போதும் meditation.
ஸோ த நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் மேகம் கருக்குது சாங். வெயில் தாக்கம் குறைக்க முதல் மழையாய் நம் மனதை நினைக்க வருகிறார்கள் யூகேஜி கேர்ள்ஸ். Prize distribution continues. Very well done, girls. Absolutely brilliant performance by you all. பெற்றோர் ஆசிரியர் கழக தலைவர் மதிப்பிற்குரிய துரைராஜ் அவர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கின்றோம்.
சன்விகா, வர்ஷா, புனர்விகா, கீர்த்திகா, போகன். Thank you, students. ஆதிதேவ், தேஜாஸ்ரீ, பரத்தூர் சஃபீரா, நிவேதிகா,
Good evening to all. The winners from UKG student Ajish B, Agilan B, Ashwant Vasudev A, Lakshin S, Lakshman S, Logesh M, Rigash Kabil M, G. Sai Saran, Sai Saran M, Vishwa, Umar Aslam A, Vigan T, V. Navilan E, Guru Kshatriyan, Aranya, Deepika M, Danshika T, Darshika S, Sarasti,
நல்லாசிரியர்
Sagira,
ஓய்வு பெற்ற நல்லாசிரியர் ஏ கிருஷ்ணன் அவர்களை மாணவர்களுக்கு பரிசு
தரணிகா.
வழங்கி கௌரவிக்கும்படி பள்ளியின் சார்பாக, பள்ளி நிர்வாகத்தின் சார்பாக அன்புடன் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம். நல்லாசிரியர் ஏ கிருஷ்ணன் அவர்களை
Tamil Prabha,
மேடைக்கு வரும்படி அன்புடன் அழைக்கின்றோம். மதிப்பிற்குரிய
சபரிஷா.
நல்லாசிரியர் அவர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கின்றோம்.
Hiptiya, Deepthi, Pavitran, Yuganesh, Riyashan, Kaushik, Nishwant, Abhinandan, Harimitra, Jayantan, Ragasudan, Sarveshwaran, Harshat, Dharmesh,
ஓய்வு பெற்ற
Harisharan,
பிஇஓ தலைமை ஆசிரியர் மரியாதைக்குரிய
Rivisha,
திரு மையப்பன் அவர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கின்றோம்.
Nachatra,
மாணவர்களுக்கு பரிசுகளை வழங்கி கௌரவிக்கும்படி ஓய்வு பெற்ற பிஇஓ தலைமை ஆசிரியர் திரு மையப்பன் அவர்களை
மகாலட்சுமி,
அன்புடன் அழைக்கின்றோம்.
Idaliga, Sajina, Dharaniga, Kirtana, Subiga, Mershika Meher, Nainiga, ஏகாந்திகா ஏகாந்திகா புஜிதா ஐயோ பேர் என்ன தெரியல. சரி வா. விவிக்ஷா மோனிகா தேவசஞ்சனா திகழ்கா கனிஷ்டி தமிழ் பிரியா வேம்பரசி யுவஸ்ரீ தர்னிஸ் தேவஸ்ரீ ஹாசினி தமிழரசன் சுபாஷ் அர்ஜுன் தரணிகா சித்தார்த் முகமது ஃபாசித் ரியாஷன் சாய்லேஸ்வரன்
Shashika from UKG. Today the students from 5th standard are going to witness how skillful, fluent and elegant they are in speaking English. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome English drama participants on stage.
Do parents treat their sons and daughters differently, underestimating girls, overestimating boys?
A recent research reveals that mothers of infants show a gender bias in favor of their sons. ஜென்விதா, a recent research என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னா, வீடுகளில் பெரும்பாலும் அம்மாக்கள் ஆண் பிள்ளைகள் பக்கமே இருக்கிறார்கள்.
Akshaya, I believe that women should have the same political, social, economic rights as men.
என்னதான் பெண்களுக்கு ஃபுல் ரைட் சேம் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் நாம பேசினாலும் இன்னும் பெரும்பாலான வீடுகளில் ஆண் பிள்ளைகளுக்கு தான் அதிக முக்கியத்துவம் தரப்படுகிறது. இங்கே அப்படிதான். ஒரு அப்பா, இவர் ஒரு நல்ல ஆசிரியரும் கூட. இவர் தன் வீட்டில் படிக்கிற புத்திசாலியாக இருக்கிற தன் பொண்ணுக்கு கொடுக்குற முக்கியத்துவம் படிக்காம சேட்டை செய்கிற தன் பையனுக்கு அதிக முக்கியத்துவம் தராரு. சொல்லப்போனால் பொண்ணை வீட்டில் பேசவே அனுமதிக்கிறதில்ல. மீறி பேசினா பி குவைட், டோன்ட் ரைஸ் யுவர் வாய்ஸ் அப்படின்னு அடிக்கிறாரு.
I want to see the teacher and his family.
With pleasure, Janvita, I would like to welcome Mansingh and his family on stage. He is Mansingh and she is Mansingh's wife Nadiri. They are their children William and Charles.
மான்சிங் அவர் பொண்ணை வீட்டில் பேச விட மாட்டார். இப்படிப்பட்ட மான்சிங்குமே இவர் வேலை பார்க்குற பள்ளிக்கூடத்தில் ஒருத்தர் ஒரு நாள் பேச விடாமல் செஞ்சார். இவர் தரப்பு நியாயத்தை யாருமே காதில் வாங்கலை. அப்போ தான் ஒருத்தர் நம்மளை பேச விடாமல் செஞ்சால் எப்படி இருக்குங்கிற வரி மான்சிங்க்கு புரிஞ்சுது.
Who is that? I want to see them too.
Let us welcome Manimuri and his family on stage. He is Manimuri. She is Manimuri's wife Vijila. He is their son Akash. இவர் தாங்க மணிமொழி. இவர் ஒரு டீ கடை தான் வச்சுருக்காரு. இவருக்கு அரசியல் செல்வாக்குண்டு. இவருக்கு ஒரு குணம், தான் பையன் ஆகாஷ் என்ன சொன்னாலும் நம்புவார். அவனை யார் என்ன சொன்னாலும் என்ன ஏதுன்னு சரியாக விசாரிக்காமல் சண்டைக்கு கிளம்பிடுவார். ஒரு தடவை இப்படி தான் வழக்கம் போல் எதையும் சரியாக விசாரிக்காமல் சண்டைக்கு கிளம்பிட்டாரு.
அவர் யார்கிட்ட சண்டைக்கு போனாரு? மான்சிங் தன் பொண்ணுக்கு வீட்டில் சம உரிமை கொடுத்தாரா? மணி தன் தவறை உணர்ந்தாரா? வாட்ச் அண்ட் என்ஜாய் த பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ்.
with a great social responsibility, we present an English drama for you. Thank you.
Day 1. Father, I asked you to buy a geometry box. Have you bought the geometry box?
I forgot it completely. Charles. Father, I bought new shoes for you. Thank you, Father.
Father, it's not fair. Yesterday he asked you to buy, but I asked you to buy the geometry box last week.
Be quiet. Don't raise your voice. His shoes were worn out. Do you know that?
Day 2. Father,
What?
in school they have planned to go for a tour.
Yes, I know.
Shall I join the tour?
I'm hurrying for my work. I'm already running late. I will consider this matter.
Day 3. Father,
Oh, I forgot to buy a geometry box.
no father, shall I join the tour?
Tour? William, Charles will join the tour. You stay in home. Yay! Thank you, Father.
It's not fair.
So is life. It is fated.
What?
It is 3 days trip. She can't make it. She can't manage it.
Father, I can.
You be quiet.
It is a gender-based violence.
Violence? I don't think so.
Yes, in various countries, communities, families, they often favor boys.
Nandini, are you speaking feminism? Sorry, I don't have time to listen all these things.
Mom, why didn't father allow me? He gave the chance to Charles. Please, don't ask me anything. Your father doesn't allow us to speak. It is our fate. Get ready to school.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Good morning, dear students. All of you take your seat. Thank you, sir. Happy to meet you all in this pleasant morning. Today, you look so active and brisk, don't you?
Yes, so we do.
That sounds great. Before starting the class, Flemmy, what happened to you? What's bothering you? Stop crying first.
Sir, I lost my pen, sir.
Did you search your bag properly?
Yes, I did, sir.
If anybody finds her pen, give it to her.
No, this is my pen.
What is going on there?
Sir, this is Flammy's pen. Akash took Flammy's pen.
Flemmy, is this your pen?
Yes, sir. It is my pen, sir.
What's all this, Akash? I am sorry, sir. Don't you feel ashamed? How can you behave like this? Sorry, sir. Get out of my class. Get out of my sight. Dear students, don't steal others' things. Okay, the class was over. Do your homeworks. I will meet you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Flammy. Flammy, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you coming with us?
No, I'm going with William.
Okay. Flammy. Flammy, how cunning Akash is. He stole your pen.
Leave that matter.
All right.
Flammy, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay.
Are you happy? You got your pen back.
Thank God, I got my pen back. I'm happy now.
Then why are you standing here? The school was over. Come on, let's go home. Come, Charles.
Akash, hereafter don't steal others' things.
See, Flemmy, you don't address me. Do you understand?
Akash, are you coming with us?
Look here, silly girls. I know the way for my home. Silly girls.
Silly girls? We are not silly girls. Are you messing with us? Don't mess with us.
What? Little creatures.
Flammy, he is very arrogant. Come.
Hey girls, stay there. Are you dare enough to fight with me?
I'm there. Flummy, we are humans, not animals. Come. Flummy, I know you are very angry. I will make you cool with a beautiful song. Ta-na-na, ta-na, ta-na-na. La-la, 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 la-la. Nice! Dolls, join with us. Although we like to go to school, we are rather to put away our books, our slates, and other things. Our books, our slates, and other things. When it is over for the day, when it is over for the day, when it is over for the day. I have scored good marks in all subjects. I am very happy about it.
How do I pass my parents?
Why, Charles? Did you pass in all subjects?
Yes, I passed in all the subjects, but I scored very low marks.
William, how many marks have you scored in science? I have scored 98 marks in science. 98 marks? How is that possible, William? Come on, Flummy. It's very simple. I always follow a code. That code is very simple. Listen the class. Learn the scientific concept practically. You will never forget it. Learning practically? How? Wait, I will explain you. Flummy, listen. How do you learn root system? Root system? There are two types. One is taproot system. Another one is fiber root system. This is theory, Flummy. Have you ever seen or experienced taproot system? No, I haven't. Okay, wait. Hey, what are you doing? Now see, Flummy, what type of root system is this? Taproot system. You senseless creature. Why did you uproot the plant, William? Flummy, why? What happened? Oh, that's my father planted it. Flummy, what's wrong with you? If my father noticed this, he will scold and punish you. What? Just explain root system, that's all. That's a balsam plant, rare one. My father bought it from Kanyakumari.
Look over there. Flummy's mother. William, run.
Why should I run? I didn't do this intentionally. I will face her. Hey girl, what have you done? Stay there, you mischievous.
William, run. Otherwise she will beat you.
Hey, don't run. Auntie, please let me explain. I don't need any explanation. Mother, please forgive her. No way, no chance. Hey, don't run. Mother, she went inside the house. I don't leave her. Mansingh, Mr. Mansingh. Go there.
Who is Sattudu?
Center.
Are you Mrs. Robert?
Yes, I am Mrs. Robert, your neighbor.
Hello, Mrs. Robert. I know you well. Nice meeting you, Mrs. Robert.
I am not happy to meet you, Mr. Mansingh.
Why, Mrs. Robert?
Look at this plant. Your daughter has uprooted this plant.
My daughter? Sorry, ma'am. I think you are mistaken.
I am not mistaken, Mr. Mansingh.
Ma'am, actually, she has no time to do these unwanted things. She is very busy with her studies.
Then call irresponsible daughter.
Irresponsible daughter? Mind your words, Mrs. Robert. What do you know about my daughter?
Then call your daughter, yank her, find out the truth.
Absolutely, Mrs. Robert. William.
Father, why did you call me?
Did you uproot the plant?
Yes, Father, but I didn't uproot the plant intentionally. No, don't lie. You uproot the plant intentionally, deliberately, purposefully. Auntie, I don't have any intention to uproot the plant.
Mrs. Robert, I will apologize for my daughter's act.
Father, why are you apologizing?
You be quiet.
Auntie, call Flummy and inquire her. Why should I inquire Flummy? To know my intention. Who can know others' intention? Flummy? William, why did you uproot the plant? I asked you to... Flummy, shut your mouth. Are you going to justify this foolish girl's act?
Mrs. Robert, hold your angry tongue. This generation students are very smart. We are fools, Mrs. Robert. We are fools.
Don't beat around the bush. Come to the topic.
No, Mrs. Robert. I am talking about the fact. Anyway, my daughter will ask apology. William, ask apology.
Mr. Mansingh, you are the responsible person for your daughter's act, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Instead of her, you should ask apology.
Auntie, if I want to ask apology, I will ask apology. Father, you don't ask apology.
You be quiet. I'm sorry, Mrs. Robert. It will not happen in future.
Flemmy, hereafter, don't accompany with this fellow. Come.
Father, Father.
When did you come from school? Shall I bring coffee for you both?
Coffee? Your daughter spoiled my name in this street. Your daughter started troubling everyone in this street.
What? Spoil your name? I couldn't understand. William, what's happened?
Mom, actually.
Please shut your mouth and go to your room. Don't try to be over smart.
Over smart? What is going on between father and your daughter?
Please don't ask me anything.
Charles?
Mom,
Stop eating snacks and say what happened.
Mom, William approached the friend from Flummy's garden and Flummy's mother shouted her. She ran away, Mom.
William, why did you approve the plan?
Mom,
You please don't justify your foolish act.
Let her speak. Please allow her to speak.
See Charles, though he studies poorly, but he behaves well.
Children are curious. William is also curious.
Curious about what?
Curious about things.
Uprooting the plant, irritating the neighbor. Is that curiosity? It is not curiosity. It is called irritating officiousness. Don't be officious. Learn from your brother. I will never tolerate wrongdoings anymore. Mind it.
William, don't cry.
Mom, today Charles was scared to face father for his marks. Whenever Charles got low marks, he was motivated by father. For me, no motivation, no appreciation, and finally, no love. He loved his son, not his daughter. Of course, I made a mistake. I uprooted the plant to explain root system to Flummy.
Don't cry, my child.
I think he hates me the most. He hates me the most.
No, my child. Your father loves you a lot. I know that. He is a good father. He is a good father. William, still crying. Come on, my child. Get up. Don't get down. I know you are strong and intelligent girl. Come, let's have some tea. Where is Akash? Has he gone to school? No, he hasn't. Why? Is he unwell? He is well. Then he said that he could never go to school. What? Never go to school? Why? You ask your lovable son. Akash, come here. Why didn't you go to school today?
Father, my class teacher scolded me.
What? What did you do?
I did do anything, Father.
Hey, don't lie. Tell the truth. The teacher will never punish the students without any reasonable reasons.
Father, my class teacher said, your teacher lesson. Don't come to school. Go to see shop and help your father.
What? What did you do? What did you do? I didn't do
I didn't do anything, Father.
Who said this to you?
Mansing sir.
Hey, tell the truth. Did he say so?
Yes, Father, he said this.
Hey, tell the truth. Vijala, I want to talk with this headmistress. Call her immediately. It's ringing. Hello, Saint Bernard School. May I know who is calling? Manimadi, Akash's father. I am Akash, studying 5th standard, right? Yes, ma'am. Mr. Manimadi, how may I help you? By the way, your son is absent today. Why is he absent? How can a teacher speak rudely like this, ma'am? Who spoke rudely? Mr. Manimari, can you please throw light on it? I couldn't understand. No education for teacher lesson? Did you pass any new rule in your school? Mr. Manimari, what are you talking? Who said this to you? Akash class teacher, Mr. Mansingh. Mansingh? I think you are mistaken. I know him well. He is such a nice person. He will never speak harshly. Ma'am, I am a teacher. but I have a lot of political influence. Sir, please let us inquire about this matter. Don't come to a conclusion. I will go to press. I'll speak to authorities, ma'am. Sir, please calm down. We will inquire about this matter. You please come to school by tomorrow. Baby Helen, ask Monsing to meet me. Ma'am, Monsing has left the school just now. Then call him. Ma'am, he didn't attend the phone. If he attends the call, tell him not to come to school. Why, ma'am? This matter is getting sensitive. It is sensitive issue, baby Helen. What issue? Who has created this issue? I don't know. But Akash's father blamed Monsing. Monsing, sir? Yes, Monsing instructed Akash not to come to school. And he said to Akash, you are teach a lesson. Akash's father? Ma'am, Akash's father doesn't know Hamana. He often speaks harshly. It is hard to converse him, ma'am. Ma'am, baby. Why did Monsing say this? He made a big error. Oh my God. Helen, will you be quiet? I will inquire about this matter. Ma'am, Monsing put everyone at risk. Mr. Joseph, please go to your class. How can we be cool, ma'am? How can we be cool? Monsing put everyone in danger. Mr. Joseph, let Monsing face this problem. Ma'am, don't put all the teachers at risk. Am I right, teacher? Of course you are right, sir. Sir, I know Monsing. He is very dedicated and loyal. Of course, you all know this. The school will stand for Monsing. I trust him. But I will come to a conclusion after the inquiry. Until then, go and do your work. Are you frightened of Akash's father? No, ma'am. I am not frightened of Akash's father. We are teachers. We should be studying crucial time. Our duty is to educate the parents too. Got it? Yes, ma'am. Got it. All the teachers are go to your classes. Headache. Ma'am. Ma'am, look over there. Monsing. Monsing, sir. Sir, today our president will put all the teachers in deep trouble.
What? Deep trouble? When did I put all the teachers in deep trouble?
Sir, you finish off the things beautifully.
Joseph, your speech is not understandable. It is mischievous.
Akash's father will solve the mystery.
Akash's father?
He is one of the most popular person in this town. He is coming to our school. He will do the rest. He will do the rest. Baby Helen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Sir, did he scold Akash?
Yes, I scolded him.
Why, sir? Why did you scold him?
I scolded him for being late to school.
Fine. Sir, did you say your teacher lesson? Don't come to school, go to tea shop.
It is ridiculous. Rubbish. Akash is lying, ma'am. Do you trust me?
I trust you, sir. Ma'am, shall I say one thing to you? What? Ma'am, if you want to save the reputation of a school, give suspension order to Monsing.
Suspension order? Teacher, ma'am, are you going to suspend me?
Teachers, listen. I think you all have serpent's teeth, haven't you? Akash Fast is one of the most popular in this town. If he want to speak to authorities, he can speak. But truth alone triumphs. No one can hide the truth. Yes, ma'am. Truth is like a sun. You can't hide a sun for a long time. Who is Monsing? Who is Monsing?
I am Monsing.
How can a teacher speak rudely like this, sir?
Sir, please hear my words.
No education for teacher lesson.
Sir, please listen to me. Let me speak.
I will go to press. I'll check the authorities, sir. Mr. Manimuri, once you put your words, you can't collect it back. Wait, I will inquire about this matter. Baby Helen, ask 5th standard class leader Flummy to come here. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Flummy, did sir scold Akash? Yes, ma'am. Sir scolded Akash. Why? Why did sir scold him? Akash stole my pen, so sir advised not to steal others' things. Fine. Did sir say your teacher lesson, don't come to school, go to tea shop? Ma'am, sir didn't say a single sentence what you have said right now. Akash is lying, ma'am. What's all this, sir? What's all this?
Sorry, father. I lie.
Lie? You culprit?
I'm extremely sorry. Follow next feet, follow next feet.
Hey, stand up, dear, stand up. You are my student.
Sorry, sir. I'm extremely sorry. I want my son to be in better position. Please take care of my son, sir. I want my son to be in better position. Take care of my son, sir. Please educate my son. Teachers, please educate my son. I want my son to be in better position. Take care of my son. Take care of my son, teachers. Take care of my son.
Mr. Mansingh, you are very patient in a critical situation. Take this and bad experience. I'm extremely sorry, sir.
Teacher, please. I was hurt.
Mansingh, sir.
Sir, please understand. I was wounded.
I'm speechless, sir.
I am too. Today, no one allow me to speak. Whenever I want to speak, I was taught by you all. Thanks for everything. Please.
You seem sad. Why?
Today, my father blamed me. After realizing his mistake, he had apologized.
Was it the reason for your sadness?
No, today in school, no one allowed me to speak. Whenever I want to speak, I was taught by her. I was speechless. I was speechless.
You did the same to our daughter. William was stopped by you. Did you ask the reason for her act?
Why did she approve the plan?
She explained taproot system to Flammy. Of course, she was curious, but she didn't do that intentionally.
Blunder. Big mistake. I have done a big mistake. Where is she? Where is she? Where is my lovable daughter?
She went to Max tuition.
When will she come?
Here comes William.
William, my dear daughter, I lost my compassion to hear your words. I'm sorry.
Father, don't say the word sorry. Yesterday, Flammy's mother scolded me, but you didn't give up on me. You are always my hero. You are always my hero.
William, I will raise you both in the same way. Girls and boys are equal. Girls and boys have equal rights.
Girls and boys are equal. Equal rights for girls and boys. Don't underestimate girls, overestimate boys. Don't trust your children blindly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
ஒரு நீண்ட உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இந்த கான்வர்சேஷன் இந்த ட்ராமா வந்து ஒரு 20 நிமிடம் கண்டினியூஸாக அவங்க நடிச்சிருக்காங்க. இது ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு ஹியூஜ் சேலஞ்ச். விளையாட்டு கிடையாது. கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 10-11 கேரக்டர்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு ரோல் ப்ளே. 2 கதைகள் இங்கே ஓடுது. அந்த 2 கதைகளையும் ரொம்ப அழகாக நடிச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. இன்னும் இந்த கைத்தட்டல்கள் போதாது. இந்த கைத்தட்டல்கள் போதாது. இன்னும் அதிகமான கைத்தட்டல்களை தட்டி மாணவர்களை உற்சாகப்படுத்துமாறு பெற்றோர்களை கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம்.
The winners prize UKG student Rashwandishwaran R, Kanishka R.